Let's bring the chief in here tonight. Scott Padgett, what a beautiful ending to a very nasty day.
Yeah, a really soggy day for us, Doug. So we're now seeing that clearing line working its way in, and we will continue to see that as we go through the remainder of the night tonight. Still some isolated showers possible into the evening hours, but you see that sunshine peeking out, making for a great end on this soggy Thursday. So the alert that we had in place, that has dropped. So that's some good news. And as we go into the evening hours, a couple of those spotty showers around. Officially at DFW today, we picked up a little bit more than a half of an inch of rain. So for the month, we're sitting at 3.72. So that's about an inch and a quarter above average for this time of the year. So we're going to be seeing a drier pattern going through tomorrow and then into the weekend. Taking a look at our first alert radar estimated rainfall, you can see over the last 24 hours, we did see the rainfall amounts of 3.6 through parts of Hill County to near Bosque County. Also about 3.5 inches through parts of Johnson County over the last 24 hours. So in some spots, an inch to near 4 inches of rain, and that flooding concern was there through the day today. Now looking at the first alert satellite and radar combined, you can see that cloud cover clearing out. Some of that rain holding together in our east and southeast sides, but even that is tapering off a bit more. It is a different story in Houston as severe storms continue to make their way to the east. There are reports of a tornado possibly moving its way through parts of downtown Houston, getting some reports of multiple trees down Denver Harbor area, but also getting some reports of windows blown out through parts of downtown Houston. So we're going to confirm if we actually had a tornado move through. A lot of customers without power. We don't have that here in North Texas. The scattered shower activity on the first alert futurecast will be there off and on through the night tonight. Maybe a couple of isolated storms trying to pop up going into tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours with this cold front that's sliding its way through. I don't anticipate any severe weather and really don't anticipate a big problem from any of the activity that pops up tomorrow. But the flood watch does continue until 7 o'clock in the morning on Friday. We're going to be seeing all of the counties indicated here in that dark green color because the ground's so saturated. But tonight, that coverage 10% at best, up to maybe 20% into the overnight hours. We're not done with the rain, but I can tell you we're done at least through the weekend. Now, tomorrow at 82, Saturday 89 degrees, so it's going to be warm for you. Remember, get rid of any of that standing water. You don't want the mosquitoes to start saying hello to you. On Sunday, we're up to 92 degrees, so a change in the weather pattern, but that doesn't last the whole entire week. Now, next week, a return of some rain. Tuesday and Wednesday, a better chance on Thursday as the next cold front moves through. Right now, we're sitting at 70 degrees, which is warmer than what we saw this afternoon because of that drying conditions that we have out there and the cloud cover breaking up. North winds at 6 miles per hour, gusting up to 17, still holding together. Across the Metroplex, upper 60s to the low 70s. So really not a bad evening. It was a nice day today as far as the temperatures were concerned. So through the remainder of the night, down to about 66 degrees by midnight. Your first alert 7-day forecast shows we start out at 64. We warm to 82. You saw that sneak peek through Sunday, but the warm air sticks around into next week. 93 Monday, Tuesday 94 degrees. Then we have the front move in, but it doesn't cool us down too much. Doug, these 90-degree temperatures are more like mid-June rather than mid-May.
Cannot hear what Scotty's saying. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it.